All right, here's another ship box for $300 this time. Cheaper than the S10, but let's see if it's better than the S10. It does need a fuel pump. We're doing the fuel pump right now. We have one side jacked up. We couldn't get the other side, so jump back on it. Work on dropping the tank. Don't mind all the two-stroke oil everywhere. I made a hell of a mess. Let's see how many miles we have. 133,000 miles. Sadly, it's an automatic, but you get what you get for $300. So $300 for the car, paid $100 for the fuel pump. So we're about $400 into this car.
It's got a full tank of gas.
Has a full tank of gas. Got a title with it even.
Full tanks of gas. Usually fuel pumps out if it's a full tank.
Yeah. So let's get to drop in this tank, and then we can test her out, see if she's actually better than the $500 ship box we had. Too bad it's a Dodge though. All right, what did you say? 30 minutes later?
Oh, fuck, 20?
30 minutes later, we got the tank out. It is full as all hell, so. But now we don't have really anything to get the ring off. I thought it was a metal ring, but it's not, so I didn't come prepared for this. But we're gonna try our best here, maybe with a hammer and a screwdriver.
That's how I always got mine off.
And then, what the hell was I about to say?
Yeah. We'll put the new one in. Maybe.
Yeah, we'll try getting this ring off now. So maybe I'll do some snowmobile videos one of these days. That one I'm trying to swap a new motor in. This one I saw things I didn't want to see in the carburetors. But
Broken trailing arm.
yeah, and then the trailing arm is snapped. But then I have the Jeep here that needs a new frame. If I ever had a place to do that, I'd put a new frame under that, but I don't know, maybe one day. But right now we're focusing on this. So now we just gotta get this ring off and put the new pump in, and so I got the pump out, and we did some looking. These are two completely different pumps.
Electrical plugs different.
Electrical
fuel
plugs
lines
different. Hookups are different. Fucking, there's no float on this one. Has springs. That one doesn't. I don't know. But,
Not the right pump.
so we're gonna run a Napa. See what they got. Hopefully they have one. I swear to God, if they don't, I have to wait another
On
goddamn
the bright side,
week.
there's like 4 parts that was open yet today.
All right. So 3 weeks later, we finally have the correct fuel pump. That was kind of an ordeal. Rock Auto said it was my fault when it wasn't my fault, so they made me pay shipping to ship it back. The picture for the new one looked like this. Well, it ended up being what you saw, and then the part numbers on the box matched the part number that I ordered online, but it was completely different from the picture.
Oh, God.
What?
Rubber overuse not wanting to. Okay, never mind. It's right.
Okay.
I was like,
Wait, did you take the old one out?
it's not in here.
It's not on the pump either.
Oh, that's good.
Where the hell is the... Was there not one on it?
It must not have been.
No, there wasn't. Interesting.
Yeah.
Alright, so... After 2 weeks, we'll finally be able to get this thing done. I need to clean up this fucking oil mess. And we'll maybe take her out for a rip. Oh, my jump pack might not be dead. I forgot this is here.
Your jump pack?
It's dead.
I've got mine, I think.
Okay.
It's somewhere.
Alright, so we're gonna get this pump put in and put the tank back in, and We'll let you know how it goes.
I am confused.
Well,
Fucking O-ring.
sadly, we just as soon as we shut the camera off, as soon as I shut the camera off, I was trying to put the O-ring around here, and I shoved it in the tank, and it's about shoulder deep in there.
Who's calling me? Like it was a bad time. Oh, that's cold. Oh, there's two.
Oh, hey, there's the old one.
Oh, he's calling me.
Here, let me get you some rags.
DoorDash. Yep.
Yeah, that was dumb on my part. There we go. Here. Alright, so now we will get this pump in and put the tank back in. I wish I got that on video. Alright, we have the pump in and connected. We haven't put the tank in yet. We're gonna just hook up this jump box and just make sure that it pumps before we put the tank back in.
Okay.
Is that on?
Yes.
All right. Key. Where did I put that? There it is.
Yep.
We have it?
I heard. You want to cycle it?
Hold on. Let me. How the fuck? Turn it off. Okay. It just died.
Yeah. Jump box shut off.
Oh.
You're good. And Schrader valve here to see if we have fuel pressure. Air pressure, so it's doing something. It's moving fuel.
Well, hopefully, well, we had air pressure before.
Yeah. But that was like actual, a lot of it.
Yeah.
And I heard the pump go, so.
Yeah, I
we're
did
good.
too. All right. So pump is working. So now we're just gonna fiddle fuck the tank back in there and take her for a rip. As long as it starts. It should start though. But all right, we'll get back to it. All right, we have the tank back in and hooked up. Let's see if she'll go. Let's prime it a couple times.
See if we have fuel pressure yet. Couple more. I think I just heard fuel hit the rail. Yep.
All right, jump pack shut off.
Okay.
Oh fuck yeah!
Cool. Oh, the throttle body's covered by a piece of shit.
I don't think so. That's my first time ever hearing this thing run. I think it's something rattling.
I think it's lifters.
Because it went away once I revved it.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
timing belt cover's happy. Great.
it'll be fine.
That's good for
Alright, we'll let it run for a little bit so we can charge this battery up. And then, well, I have to still tighten the fuel neck up. But then we'll take her for a rip and see how she goes. She's a unit.